Did you know there's an official German version of the Commodore 64 game of Commando with Stormtroopers? Well, that's not officially correct. Yes, it is an official German version of Commando, but they're not Stormtroopers. The game? Space Invasion. The enemy soldiers seen in Commando have been replaced by alien androids, not Stormtroopers, but they still look like it on the game. And if Stormtroopers were androids and not clones, my description would have worked. Anyway, Commando by Elite was put on the German BPJN index. That's right, they were banned. Well, that's not totally correct either. There's a bit of hype around the German index, like it's a list of banned games. They were actually restricted games. You couldn't find Commando, for example, on a store shelf in Germany. You wouldn't find advertising for the game on posters in the store. Commando was strictly under the counter, out of sight, and only available by request, and not available to minors.
Could they be the miners?
Sure. They're like 3 years old.
Miners, not miners.
You lost me.
The Commando wasn't the only Commodore 64 game restricted in Germany, or other words, on that dreaded index list. Other Commodore 64 games included Rambo 2 and 3, Beachhead 1 and 2, Lumax, Cobra, Commando, Falcon Patrol 1 and 2, G.I. Joe, Carrier Warriors, Joe Blade, Operation Wolf, Platoon, Predator, Raid Over Moscow, Who Dare Wins 1 and 2, Army Moves, and you can see the list goes on. Pretty much anything that the BPJM review board viewed as glorifying war went on the index. I better clarify as well, this BPJM basically is the German Federal Review Board for media harmful to minors, and their job was to work out if a game was unsuitable for general public viewing or for minors. So to avoid having Commando indexed in Germany, Elite made an alternative version for the German market. Instead of being called Commando, the name was changed to Space Invasion. Enemy soldiers were changed to alien androids. So Super Joe, aka the Commando, was no longer shooting human enemy soldiers, but shooting aliens. But these changes didn't actually help, and Space Invasion by Elite joined Commando on the index. You can actually play Space Invasion on your Commodore 64 today. It actually feels more polished and less glitchy than the original Commando. Check it out.